So I would like you to please come here again. You know, the first thing I want to ask you personally about this song, क्योंकि ये गाना बात करता है about the preconceived notions, the ideas, जो
discriminations.
Yeah, exactly. एक हिचकी जो कि सोसाइटी के अंदर है, अलग-अलग टाइप की हिचकियाँ जो है सोसाइटी के अंदर, वो कौन सी हिचकी थी या हिचकियाँ थी इतनी सारी जिनको कि ओवरकम करने में आपके टीचर्स ने आपकी मदद की थी? कभी आपको बताया था कि ये एक हिचकी कभी नहीं होनी चाहिए? डू यू रिमेंबर एनीथिंग लाइक दैट?
आई थिंक स्कूल में बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ है कि जैसे जब मैं छोटी थी तब मैं स्टैमर करती थी.
Oh really?
हाँ, सो आई यूज्ड टू स्टैमर अ लॉट. और ये जो मेरी हिचकी थी स्कूल में ही मेरे टीचर्स ने, जैसे मिसेस दादरकर, जब मैं हमें जूलियस सीजर सिखाते थे मिसेस दादरकर, तो लॉट द वे वी हैव लर्नड इन स्कूल, तो वो जो हिचकी थी मेरी स्टैमरिंग करने की, वो बहुत दूर हुई है स्कूल में रहकर.
वाओ.
जस्ट विद द कॉन्फिडेंस दैट माई टीचर्स हैव गिवन मी. और ये जो गाना है, दिस सॉन्ग इज़ एक्चुअली अ ट्रिब्यूट टू ऑल माई टीचर्स एक्चुअली, क्योंकि यही स्कूल में मुझे सिखाया गया है कि नॉट टू डिस्क्रिमिनेट. एंड आई थिंक दैट इज़ वन थिंग विच आई हैव लर्न फ्रॉम ऑल माई टीचर्स. वी ऑल इक्वल्स. लड़के और लड़की में कोई अंतर नहीं है, कोई भी बेटी बेटे से कम नहीं है. किसी का जो रंग है, कोई गोरा है, कोई सांवला है, कोई काला है, वी आर नॉट known in society. Our identity is not in society because of our color, our caste, any of that. We are known in society for our achievements, for what we do, our merit, and the positive change we bring in society. So that's how our identity is. And we should not discriminate. And that's what my song says, कि हमारे अंदर बहुत तरीके की हिचकी है और वो हिचकी हमें दूर करनी चाहिए. और पहले जो हमारी हिचकी है, सोच की हिचकी, जो हम अगर चेंज कर दे तो दिस प्लेस विल बी अ बेटर प्लेस टू लिव.
Wonderful, wonderful. With this, I open the floor for media question and answer. So can we have some mics?
No, one more thing I want to talk about my teachers. I think the inspiration to play Naina Mathur as a teacher, I got from all my teachers, because in Maniji Cooper, teachers never pressurized us towards academics.
Oh wow.
Yes, we were never pressured. Every student was treated as equal, because in school we have different problems of grasping, of learning. Some students would be really bright and some students were not so bright. Some students were average, some students were brilliant. But I can say this with a lot of pride that in Maniji Cooper, we all students were treated as equals.
You know,
our teachers never gave us any prominence, specially, and we were all treated as equals, and that's something that I've taken back all my life.
You know, I just remembered something that my mom always says, because she's a teacher. Thankfully, I have a teacher at home. Yeah. So she always told me कि अगर सभी लोग engineer और doctor बनेंगे तो painting कौन करेगा?
कौन करेगा? गाना कौन गाएगा?
Dance कौन करेगा?
That's good. That's good.
All right, can we have some questions, please? Do we have the mics rolling already?
Hi. मेरा सवाल सभी आपके दोस्तों ने और सभी लोगों ने बताया रानी. मैं जानना चाहूँगा राजा भाई से कि आपने किस तरीके से रानी को देखा है स्कूल में जाते हुए, और क्या?
अरे मैं तो डरती थी. जो भी क्लास में ऊपर जाती थी ना, वो लोग मुझे पूछते थे, राजा सिस्टर? नो.
राजा सर प्लीज 2 लाइनें बोलें, फिर दोस्तों से भी पूछते हैं.
और मैं एक चीज भी बोल सकती हूँ, मेरे सारे टीचर्स राजा को ज्यादा प्यार करते मुझसे ज्यादा.
अच्छा, ये सवाल मैं दोस्तों से भी जानना चाहूंगा, अगर आप मंच पर आ सकें. आप तीनों
प्लीज आइए मंच पे. प्रियंका, सोनी खोचर, साउथ बेग, अयाज खान, आइए. आइयो. क्या सवाल है?
आप तीनों बताएं कि कितनी नटखट थी, शरारती थी, पढ़ाई में कैसी थी, थोड़ी अंदर की बातें बताएं जो हम लोगों को ना पता हो.
She wasn't naughty at all. She was extremely hardworking and studious. And she was just never punished, She spent a lot of the periods in class alone because I was always out of class, punished, but she was a good student, very hardworking.
सोनी गयाज, आप भी ऐड करें अपनी बातें.
ये नॉटी नहीं थी. इनफैक्ट प्रिया रानी मेरी बुक्स कंप्लीट करती थी मेरे लिए, तो बहुत हेल्पफुल थी. दे वर these guys have been my closest friends. तो मेरी नोटबुक्स हमेशा खाली रहती थी. रिमार्क्स डायरी के भरे रहते थे, तो ये लोग हमेशा मेरी बुक्स कंप्लीट करते थे. सो आई ऑलवेज अप्रिशिएट दैट. और जो भी हूँ टीचर्स की वजह से भी और थोड़ा इनकी वजह से भी.
I think the bonding, the reason why we are friends today is because I also मेरी books ये दोनों ही complete करती थी. And I think that took us a long way. And आज खड़े हैं तो योगदान इनका भी है. तो thank you.
Thank you.
और एक्चुअली इफ आई कैन ऐड, अगर रानी एक्चुअली टीचर बनती जैसे बनना चाहती थी, आई थिंक फैबुलस टीचर होती, यू नो.
आई थिंक कोई कुछ सवाल पूछना ही नहीं चाह रहा है. अच्छा कोई है? ओके. हाँ, यस.
Ma'am, any memory that you would like to share with us about your school and the whole journey of Hitchki and your with the Hitchki and your school? Any memory that you would want to share with us? Any special memory?
I've spoken about all the memories. I think the fact that I'm here today, standing in my school, in the midst of my teachers and my, stay na, yeah. And in the midst of all my friends, my closest friends who were there with me in school, I think that's, it's basically everything, right from the toilet that is here. Like, you know, we were like remembering all the boys and girls who used to have running nose and all right through there. And, you know, all the memories are coming back. You know, they were just saying that how they've actually given their blood and sweat to the school because they used to be falling and injuring themselves. So there are too many memories here, you know, like our annual day memories, like the personality contest that we used to have here. Yeah, and we actually, I've written my board exams in this, in this hall. Like I remember writing my board exams here. So just every memory just like comes up really strongly.
Any naughty act you had done?
I was not naughty. That's my biggest problem. Like somebody tells me, what am I naughty? I don't remember doing anything naughty. Yeah. Huh?
Do you still have your name written anywhere in the school, somewhere on the
No, actually, I had chicken pox the day we had the shirt signing day. So I miss being there on shirt signing day. Do you all still have the shirts?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah.
God. Acha, you did.
Yeah. You didn't scribble on that.
Yeah, never scribble. Yes. Did we guys ever fight? Of course. Yeah. Yeah, friends have to fight. There can't be friendship without fighting. We fought all the time, and I think that's what has made our friendship stronger. A fist fight? No, we didn't have fist fights. No. Yeah. No fist fight. No.
Okay, one more question.
Hi Rani, Ravi.
Yeah, hi.
Ravi from ABP News.
You're from?
ABP News.
ABP News, yeah.
रानी जब आप फिल्म के लिए शूट करी थी बीइंग अ टीचर, ऐसी कोई घटना हुई जो एकदम आइडेंटिकल थी, आपको स्कूल से एकदम रिलेट कर सके, ऐसी कोई घटना हुई जब आप शूटिंग करी थी हिचकी के लिए?
जो बच्चे मेरे साथ जिन्होंने काम किया है इस फिल्म में, कभी कभी मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मैं असल में टीचर बन चुकी हूँ, क्योंकि जो बच्चे हैं वो एक्चुअली एक्टर्स नहीं है, बहुतों की पहली फिल्म है ये. तो वी वांटेड दैट रियल क्वालिटी, एज इन द स्टूडेंट्स शुड लुक रियली रियल. और कभी कभी सच में वो सो जाते थे शॉट्स के बीच में, तो फिर डांट के उनको मतलब जगाना पड़ता था कि उठो, शॉट चल रहा है. तो आई थिंक वी हैव गॉन थ्रू दैट इन आवर क्लासरूम्स एज वेल.
अच्छा रानी,
हाय रानी
जी.
एक सवाल और, क्या आपको लगता है कि स्कूल जाने का जो ओल्ड वर्ल्ड चार्म था वो कहीं ना कहीं अब चला गया है, क्योंकि बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा टेक सेवी हो गए हैं और टेक्नोलॉजी में ज़्यादा रहते हैं, गेम ज़्यादा खेलते हैं, फील्ड पे कम जाते हैं? आपको ऐसा लगता है कि ओल्ड वर्ल्ड चार्म कुछ कम हुआ है आपका जो दौर?
देखिए, अभी तक मेरी डॉटर अभी तक स्कूल नहीं गई है, तो आई डोंट हैव फर्स्ट हैंड इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्कूल्स टुडे, बट मुझे जो भी इन्फॉर्मेशन है वो मेरे स्कूल के टाइम का था. एंड वी हैड अ वंडरफुल टाइम इन स्कूल, क्योंकि लकीली वी डिडंट हैव इंटरनेट, वी डिडंट हैव phones. We used to like to spend time in the library reading books. We had a wonderful library in school. So मुझे याद ही नहीं है कि हम कभी phone पे, I think we used to never waste time, and I think we used to have more fun in the playground.
Thank you.
Hi Rani,
Yeah.
this is Vaishali Chandra
Hi,
from
Vaishali.
Alpha World.
Hi.
My question is, as you said, you had mentioned that you had a very limited time period you told your team that, you know, I could only shoot for a few hours and stuff.
Yeah.
So how long did it take to shoot this song? And
Song or the film?
the song, the
But I can tell you about the whole film.
Yeah, you did mention one,
Yeah.
but now we are about Oi Hichki. If you could tell us more about Oi Hichki, behind the scenes, what went?
Behind the scenes, I think it was a lot of fun because my friend Vaibhavi Merchant was shooting the song, and when I shoot a song with her, it's like really it goes like a breeze. In fact, a little change from what information you have. I basically told the team that I don't want to waste time on set. I want to just shoot on sets, because normally what happens is when an actor gives too much time to a film set, a lot of time goes faffing, waiting, you know. And I completed this film in flat 38 days, which is quite fast. And my team was thoroughly prepared in terms of, you know, with their shots, with everything. So I used to come like 6 in the morning, shoot with them up to 12, which is actually a very good 5-6 hours of shoot, which normally people give from say 9 to 6. But I wanted to get home soon to my baby, so I used to always give them from 6 o'clock, and they used to start shooting with me from 7. And I used to finish the shoot by 12, and they used to pack me off home. And we actually shot a lot of things because we had that concentrated 5 hours. Normally, when you have time to just sit around and wait for lighting and stuff, like everything gets, you know, pushed. But we like really concentrated our time and worked, and they worked really hard to finish my work off fast. But I actually gave a lot of time to my film to basically complete it. Otherwise, we wouldn't have been able to complete the film. Thank you.
We
Yes,
have
sir.
Yeah.
They want to ask a question. Mike.
Yes, we'll come to you also. We have a
This is
question.
not a question. This is a compliment. Rani, as everyone has told, was not Shararati or naughty. She was well-behaved child, but as she grew, she became Mardani.
Oh.
She became Mardani. She acted in the film Mardani.
Yes.
And if you have seen, when we go to cinema theater, before the show begins, there is national anthem. And once I was in theater PVR, and national anthem became with Rani as head and her Mardani girls. They were singing national anthem.
Yes.
So that felt, and I was very proud to see that this is my student who has come and become Mardani.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Can we take that question also, please?
Rani?
There's a student who has a question.
Do you have a favorite teacher?
Hi, what's your name first?
Ananya.
Hi, Ananya. Which
Hello.
class do you study in?
10th A. Like
10th A, okay. Which house? Which house?
Yellow.
Tagore, my house!
So do you have a favorite teacher from your school years?
Yeah, that's a very wrong question you're asking me. Yeah? How will I choose? That's not fair. That's an unfair question.
No, like anyone with very, like you have some teacher with you, like you missed a lot. Like
I think I can only say, I think Mrs. Dadarkar. I think I've just spent too much time with her, and she was kind of a mentor for me, because as she said that she started being my class teacher when I was in my 3rd standard, and she continued teaching me English and history in the 8th, 9th and 10th, of course. And I used to go to her place for tuitions. So I've spent a lot of time with her. So I would say the kind of time that I've spent with her, her daughter, her husband, I think that has been always very special in my memory. Thanks, Ananya.
thank you.
Thank
Rani?
you.
Hi, you're this side.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Nikita. I'm from Zoom.
Yeah.
I want to ask you, a child's first teacher are their parents, especially their mother.
Yeah.
So for your daughter, what is the one thing that you can't wait to teach her, and something that you wish she hasn't learned? She wouldn't
Dancing,
have learned
dancing.
it. And
Dancing and boxing.
you want her to learn both.
Because today I believe that all girls should learn martial arts and self-defense, and then learn dance after that. So I would like to teach my daughter both.
And something you wish she shouldn't have learned.
No, no, no. There is nothing like that. I just absolutely adore her, whatever she's learning. And she has one cute thing right now is that when we try to teach her something, she just gets very upset. So I am just wondering what is going to be, what am I going to hear from her teachers? Because if she's going to turn around and tell her teachers that, no, it's like this, God, I don't know what I'm going to do. So that's one thing that she has. She likes to teach all of us everything.
Are you looking forward to being her teacher at home as well when she comes home and helping her out with the homework, or are you terrified of that area right
No,
now?
actually, my mom never helped me with my homework, so I think I'm going to follow my mom.
Do we have any more questions? Yes.
Hi,
Yes.
Rani.
Hi.
If you were a teacher...
Sorry, ma'am, I can't hear you.
If you were to be a teacher in your real life, if your profession would be a teacher,
Yeah.
which subject would you like to teach?
Which subject? Definitely history.
History.
And geography.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
Yes, yes, there's a...
Hi.
So, Captain.
Greenhouse.
Wow, Captain how?
So my question was, you used to tell your teacher that you would not become an actress and you would become a teacher. So what made you decide to become an actress? Like what?
What
How
made
were
me
you-
decide? I didn't
Yes.
decide. My mom decided that for me. You see, when we were young, it was a different generation, you see, so I was very obedient. So whatever my mom said, I did. Unlike today. You see, so my mom said, become an actor, I became an actor. And she realized my dream before me. So you see, I became an actor by default. But I thank my mom today because I don't think I could be anything else but an actor.
Great actor at that.
Thank you. Thank you. Huh? Yes, yes, ma'am.
But no. But in the trailer, I saw you're teaching chemistry. That's what I.
Actually, I'm a maths, physics, and chemistry teacher in the movie. So I'm actually teaching them physics, maths, and chemistry. So you see what a good actor I am. Yes. Yes, please.
Children, this is on behalf of you because none of you have, I think, mustered up courage to ask her this. But please do ask her, who was her first crush?
Daddy, I know.
Yeah, please take this mic.
I had a lot of crushes, so I don't know which ma'am is talking about. First crush. Priya, you remember?
Should we ask her for the answer?
No. I'm just thinking, who was my first crush? Huh? You don't remember? You remember? Tell me in my ears if you remember something. Then I'll tell you if
Somebody
you
is going to
can
get
say it.
famous this afternoon.
I think we can avoid this question.
Okay, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, and all the students. You've been such a great support this afternoon. Please go and watch Hichki, and thank you so much. I
All
think
the
if you
students,
would-
you all must go. When is your exam starting? 20 of February, board exams. And when are they getting over? 23rd of March? Wow, yes. So all of you all can go and watch my movie on 23rd, right after your exams. And I promise you, you all will have fun. Yeah, it is an entertaining movie. There's no bhashan, yeah? There is no preaching in the movie. You all will have a great time. It's a good, inspiring film, so you must go and watch it. For MCET. Okay, thank you. Anything else?
That's it. Thank you so much.
Thank
You've
you.
done so
You're
much
lovely.
with
Thank
this.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, miss. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everybody, for coming.